One of the biggest deals of the summer was Manchester United's surprise loan signing of Radamel Falcao from Monaco for a fee believed to be £6 million. If the Tiger passes a medical with Louis van Gaal's side, the Colombia forward will link up with Argentine Angel Di Maria. The Red Devils reportedly wrote a cheque for £59.7 million to secure the signature of the man known as a noodle from Real Madrid. Heading for the Old Trafford exit door is striker Javier Hernandez, who's completed a season-long loan to Real. Chicharito will provide backup at the Bernabeu for first-choice striker Karim Benzema. Arsenal made waves as they acquired the services of Alexis Sanchez for £30 million from Barcelona. The 25-year-old inspired Chile to the World Cup last 2016 in Brazil, and Arsene Wenger will hope the striker can inspire the Gunners to their first Premier League title in over 10 years. One team who'll have something to say about that is Liverpool, who signed controversial ex-Manchester City forward Mario Balotelli for £16 million from AC Milan.
I think Liverpool is one of the best teams here in England, and especially football is very good over here.
Across the channel, Barcelona have responded to their first trophyless campaign since 2008 by spending £75 million on Liverpool striker Luis Suarez. Barca's arch-rivals Real were far from shy in the transfer window either. Ex-Bayern Munich central midfielder Toni Kroos joins last season's Champions League winners, as does Colombian World Cup star James Rodriguez, who left Monaco reportedly for £71 million. In Italy, Roma signed ex-Chelsea left-back Ashley Cole. Another player to depart Stamford Bridge is David Luiz, who made the £40 million move to Paris Saint-Germain.